How are you doing?
Very good, darling. Very good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well. We meet again. Always a pleasure to meet you. The pehla sawal I want to ask you, Rohit Mehra doesn't seem to age. What is the secret?
So Rohit Mehra doesn't seem to age.
Doesn't seem to age at all. What's the secret?
So I don't know. Maybe Rohit Mehra is not aging because Ronit Roy is eating like walnuts and almonds and figs and healthy diet and all that, with a little help from his makeup artist.
Well, it's wonderful to see you, but have you realized you get synonymous with their characters, whether it was Mr. Bajaj and now it's Rohit Mehra. Who is your personal favorite amongst the two?
So it's a little difficult to I mean choose. It's like asking which finger is more important, my thumb or my index finger. So I mean they're both characters. Not just these two. All my characters are very close to my heart. I do every character with the same diligence, with the same focus, because that's what I do, right? That's my craft.
Yeah.
So I think which character is better or best is a question best posed to the audience. And in the course of events, I found that even the audience is divided about it. Some people like Rohit Mehra, some people like Bajaj, some people like Dharamraj Mayyavanshi, some people like Dr. Neil. So it's like that. But I consider myself blessed that people, like my characters.
But what do you think? People still resonate. I mean, the family, the Mehras are dysfunctional to the core, but everyone's finding a resonance. They love to hate you, they hate to love you. What do you think is that thing that everyone just loves the series?
Yeah, so about being dysfunctional, you see, when uh, when a member of the family does not have to be the man of the house. It could be any member of the family. When the member of the family takes a misdirected step, you are then kind of moving off course. And when you move off course, everybody on that boat, everybody on that ship moves off course with you. Uh, Once you have moved off course, then the struggle to get back on course or to find a new course, that begins. So it has a kind of a ripple effect on all the people who are emotionally or otherwise dependent on you. Hence, very rightfully said, season 3 of Kehne Ko Hum Safar Hain, everybody is struggling to find, their new course and find themselves that they were kind of again, so to say, which I think makes it more interesting because the dilemma lies not just with one or two or three characters, it lies with every character associated with the narrative.
सर ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट था आपको ऐसा लगा सिचुएशन जो रियल में हुआ हो ऐसा कुछ था
ऐसा तो रोज सुनता हूँ मैं देखता हूँ मेरे मेरे आसपास अभी से नहीं बरसों से देखता आया हूँ सुनता आया हूँ पीपल हैव टेकन स्टेप्स मेरे एक मित्र हैं जिनका थोड़ा बीच में अफेयर वफेयर हो गया था फिर उनका सेपरेशन हो गया फिर डिवोर्स हो गया फिर दोनों को ऐसा लगा कि यार लाइफ विदाउट ईच अदर इज नॉट अ वेरी गुड थिंग सो दे गॉट बैक टुगेदर they got married again and they have two beautiful children right now and they are leading a very very beautiful life together. ऐसे भी लोगों को जानता हूँ जो एक ही घर में रहते हैं लेकिन उनकी जिंदगियां अलग अलग हैं उनके बच्चों को भी पता है कि क्या चल रहा है बट दे आर लिविंग टुगेदर एज वन यूनिट
वो होता है ये मैंने भी सुना हुआ है
हाँ तो ये हमारे हमारी सोसाइटी कहिए या यू नो लोग बात कम करते हैं इसके बारे में वो गॉसिप जो बोलते हैं वो क्लोज डोर गॉसिप होती है कि अरे तू किसी को बताना मत पर उसे भी पता है कि जिसको वो बता रहा है वो जाके सबको बताने वाला है.
Which is true.
तो
Which is true.
हाँ, करेक्ट. तो वो है. तो छुप छुप के बातें करते हैं लोग, बट इट्स देयर. And not just in our society, it's prevalent everywhere around the world.
Where human beings are, they will do this.
Correct. तो ये जो चक्कर होती है इश्क मोहब्बत और incompatibility और looking for something other than you have, these are human tendencies, and you will find these examples wherever humanity exists.
Which is true. But I was watching you in Jaan Tere Naam 1992.
Ji.
Now today, it's been an interesting journey. It's had its highs, it's had its lows. What is that one advice you would want to give your 20-year-old self?
One advice. I mean, the greatest advice that I can give people is be true to yourself. Be true to yourself. Be who you are. Whatever you receive it in gratitude. और जो अपने नाम का नहीं है, वो चेक कैश कराने की कोशिश मत करो. किसी और के नाम का चेक कराने की कोशिश मत करो कैश. Be true to yourself. Be honest, and let life unfold. Life is beautiful. और जिंदगी है तो उतार चढ़ाव आएंगे. चढ़ाव का मजा लो. Don't get overtly excited by the चढ़ाव. उतार आए तो लड़ो. लड़ाई निकल गई जिंदगी से तो फिर कैसी जिंदगी. बट जो भी करो, be true to yourself. जो आप जैसे हो.
जी. So since you spoke about the check in life, cashing, you've also been very honest about, we are all going through this uncertainty, financial crunch and all. You've been lending yourselves out there. Is the uncertainties also of the industry and the times bogging you down?
Bogging me down is not the right word. Of course, it's made life difficult. But like I said, when, I mean, somebody said that when life throws lemons at you, make lemonade. I don't believe in that. If life throws lemons at you, throw those lemons back at life.
Which is true. Or put them in water.
अगर जिंदगी आपसे कह रही है कि भैया संघर्ष करो, लड़ो, और आप यहाँ नींबू पानी पीने में मस्त हो, ऐसा मत करो. आप लड़ो. आपको कहा गया लड़ो, तो परिस्थितियों से लड़ो. जब तक लड़ोगे नहीं तो कैसे जीतोगे?
Which is true.
नींबू पानी पी के थोड़ी कोई जंग जीतता है.
सही में. Which is true.
Yes, these are very trying times, but the point is that I am thankful to God that we are better off than a lot of other people, and I am really grateful to God that I find myself in a capacity to help people at this time, and take them through this crisis. और मतलब मैं उतना बड़ा आदमी तो नहीं हूँ कि बहुत लोगों के लिए बहुत कुछ कर सकता हूँ, पर थोड़े लोग जो हैं उनके लिए जितना मैं कर रहा हूँ, और ये जब तक नहीं खुलता मैं करता रहूँगा. I will see to it that they make it through this crisis.
That's truly commendable, sir. Somebody sent me a question to ask you a thing you love and hate about your character.
What I love and hate about my character. What I love about my character is the passion with which he loves. I don't know if my audience has noticed this, जिन लोगों ने भी season 3 देखा है, but वो जिद्दी बच्चे होते हैं ना, जिद्दी बच्चे, कि नहीं मेरे को चाहिए, यही चाहिए. तो थोड़ा सा अनन्या को लेकर रोहित मेहरा थोड़ा सा जिद्दी बच्चा है. जैसे किसी जिद्दी बच्चे को आप बोलो नहीं दूंगी तो वो खाना नहीं खाएगा. नहीं मेरे को नहीं खाना. तो जब तक आप उसे वो चीज दोगे नहीं तब तक वो खाना नहीं खाएगा. तो वो थोड़ा सा जो जिद्दी बच्चा है रोहित मेहरा के अंदर, of course it's portrayed in a very mature way, but who has जिद्दी बच्चा. That's what I like about Rohit Mehra. What I hate about Rohit Mehra, why should I hate anything about Rohit Mehra? What I hate about him is that it's not about him, it's that everybody, इतने लोग हैं उसके इर्द गिर्द, उसकी फैमिली, उसकी माँ, उसकी एक्स वाइफ, उसके बच्चे, उसके दोस्त, but He's the most misunderstood person. If you look at it, everybody thinks he's a बेवड़ा, he's an alcoholic, he's a loser, और वो पैसे मांग के जी रहा है, जो कि सच बात है. लेकिन वो अपने ही पैसे मांग रहा है, जो उसने दिए हुए लोगों को. So he has a death wish, but he's not a loser. Maybe he gave away the money to others so that to make others secure कि अपना क्या होगा पता नहीं, मैं आप लोगों को secure कर देता हूँ. There's a thing behind that. True. Yeah. So what I dislike about Rohit Mehra is that he's very misunderstood.
किसी ने ये पूछा है, मोना या गुरदीप, who would you go to for relationship advice?
Ronit Roy would go to for relationship advice. Neither. Yeah. Neither.
Your love for cinema in a sentence.
My love for cinema. No, let's not say cinema. Let's just say my craft.
Yes, because you've done all three mediums.
Yeah,
TV, web, and
encompasses everything. Equal passion for my craft as I have for anything else or anybody in my life.
Never have I ever pretended to be my brother.
Never have I ever
pretended to someone that you are actually your brother talking and not him.
I can't. Yeah, my brothers speak so well. मैं कैसे उसको imitate करूँ? हाँ नहीं एक बार हुआ था. My brother was with me. We were together, and I called Mansi, his wife, and she thought it was Rohit, and she kept on talking, and I kept saying yeah. And it was quite some. She didn't even realize. So I had to tell her there, Mansi, मैं हूँ, रुक जा, देता हूँ phone to it. So yeah, I think that was the only one time.
And never have you ever pretended to know something that you don't?
Maybe in my younger man days, I might have, but in the past 15 or maybe in the past 2 decades, 2 decades पहले तो मैं young था, so I might have. So in the past 15 years, definitely not, because the reason behind it is that I really don't give a damn. I don't live my life to prove anything to anybody. कुछ नहीं पता है तो मैं अपने मेरे जो एम्प्लॉइज हैं उनको भी समझाता हूँ कि जरूरी नहीं कि आपको सब कुछ के बारे में सब कुछ पता हो. नहीं पता तो बोलो नहीं पता करके बता दो. ये मुझ में भी आ जाता है कि अगर नहीं पता तो वो मैं फिर उसकी बाल की खाल उतार के रहूंगा, उसके बारे में जितना पता लगाना है सब पता लगा कर. पर अगर नहीं पता तो नहीं पता.
And lastly, never have you ever left a set before pack up?
Never. That I am still almost 28 years as an actor. I am still 15 minutes before my time. और मैंने अभी आपसे कहा ना कि I love my craft equally, as I love anything else in the world. And I would never be dishonest to my craft. In fact, there have been umpteen number of times, especially when my shows have wound up on the last day, I have been the last actor to leave from set.
Thank you so much, sir. Also, another milestone this year was 10 years of Udaan. Any memories? You were fantastic. Thank you so much.
Lots of memories of Kashyap, lots of memories of there is actually every moment I remember very vividly. I remember Kashyap telling me about the film sitting. There used to be a barista on Versova, जिसकी दीवार उस समय छोटी थी. अभी वो कुछ और है, कोई और कैफे है. उसकी दीवार पर बैठकर कश्यप ने मुझे इस फिल्म के बारे में बताया था. और फिर मैं विक्रम से मिला तो जो नरेशन देने वाला था वो नरेशन उसने दी नहीं. And then we met so many times. We spoke about so many things at my house, in my club. I went to Jamshedpur. He got annoyed with me. He almost threw me out of the film. And then every day there was, in the last chase scene of Udaan, बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं, मेरा लेफ्ट थाई का मसल पूरा टेयर हो गया था.
Oh God.
और फर्स्ट डे पे ही टेयर हो गया था, वो फर्स्ट रन में ही टेयर हो गया था। और वो हम बर्फ की लादियां मंगाते थे बड़ी बड़ी, और in between shots I used to take off my trousers and put it on my thigh, and that's the way we shot that chase over 4 days. So lots of memories, every moment is still very vivid in my mind, and again I'm very grateful for to Kashyap and Motwane for having me in this film. So thank you very much.
मुझे एक बात तो आपसे पूछनी है, वो जो कैरेक्टर है डैड का इतना स्ट्रिक्ट, कुड यू रिलेट टू, आप ऐसे हो वैसे अपने बच्चों के साथ, और कुड यू रिलेट टू, मैं सोचा कि ये क्या सोच रहा है इंसान?
देखिए मुझे रिलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं होती। मेरा काम है कि मैं लोगों को रिलेट कराऊं उस कैरेक्टर के साथ। दैट्स माय जॉब। जी, तो वो जैसे कि मैंने कहा, यू नो, इट्स नेवर द, चाहे वो कितना भी बड़ा स्टार हो, इट्स नेवर द ओनली द एक्टर। इसमें इट स्टार्ट्स विद द राइटर, you know, the people who etch out the character, the director, the producer who provides everything to you, an actor's own team, then his study, then the way you are guided by circumstances on the set, आपका DOP जो आपको लाइट करता है, वो मूड बना कर देता है, वो दादा जो आपको चाय पिलाता है, तो you know, so the person who drives you to the location, everybody contributes to your good work. So yeah, gratitude and credit to everybody.
Thank you so much. So all the very best, and keep entertaining us as you always do.
Thank
Stay
you.
safe.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Lovely talking to you as always.
As always, always a pleasure to speak to you. Thank you so much.
Please be safe.
Thank
Bye.
you. You too. Bye.